Dear students, today we are going to discuss about Hadoop specific files. Hadoop specific file types. So HDFS introduced several specialized file types. They are sequence file, map file, set file, array file, bloom map file. And it provides richer functionality and it simplifies data processing. And first of all, we will look about a sequence file. It provides a data structure for binary key value pairs. Here, different instances of both the key and value must represent the same Java class, but can have different sizes. Similar to other Hadoop files, sequence files are append only. When using an ordinary file, for example, using a test or binary for storing key value pairs, data storage is not aware of key and value layout, which must be implemented in the redis on top of generic storage. The use of sequence file provides a storage mechanism supporting key value structure, and it makes implementation using this data layout much simpler. Sequence file has three formats: uncompressed, record compressed, and block compressed. It is shown in this figure. You can see record based sequence file format, block based format. The choice of a specific format for a sequence file defines the length of the file on the hard drive. Block compressed files typically are the smallest, while uncompressed are the largest. We will look what is in the sequence file header. It contains version, key class, value class, compression, block compression, compression code, metadata, and sync. This is about sequence file header. So version contains, it's an array containing 3 letters SCQ, and sequence file version number either 4 or 6. The currently we used version is 6. Version 4 is supported for backward compatibility. Then is key class is there. It is the name of the key class, and value class, it is name of value class. A compression means a key value compression flag. Block compression contains a block compression flag. Compress codec class, this class is used if either key value or block compression flag are true, otherwise this value is ignored. Then is metadata, it's optional, it is a list of key value pairs and it can be used to add user specific information to the file, and sync means a sync marker. Next we will look what is the record layout. Record layout in this field contains record contains the actual data for keys and values along with their lengths. So the field contains record length, key, and value. Record length means length of the record, key length means length of the key means byte array, value means byte array. So key means byte array containing the record's key, and value means the byte array containing the record's value. So another is block layout. It contains block layout. It contains key length, keys length, keys, values length, and values. What is keys length? In this case, all the keys for a given block are stored together. This field specifies the compressed key length size. Key length means byte array containing compressed key length block, and key length compressed key size in bytes. Keys, it's a byte array, it contains compressed keys for a block. The values length, in this case all the values for a given block are stored together. Values length, it is a byte array containing compressed value length block. Then values length, compressed value size in bytes. Values byte array containing compressed values for a block. So this is all about Hadoop specific file types.